So we got the LS7 cylinder head on. What a freaking killer head, okay? Look at the 400 lift, 313 CFM of 400 lift. Insane, insane this head. Same thing again, these heads tend to dive over at 650 the way the port is and all that. You can always make it better, but when I work on a cylinder head, I work for an X amount of price, and I always do way more than what I'm getting paid for. Can I do better? 100%. Can I bring this head to 400 CFM? 100%. But who's paying for it? You know what I mean? This is amazing. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. So we're at 650 lift. Again, very narrow. Look how narrow this thing is. If I put a 2-inch radius like those guys do, the thing will hit 400. Okay, because it just creates it. But let's try it at level 6, because sometimes, you know, this bench is not brand new. The motors, maybe they're tired sometimes. A higher depression, it works a little bit better.